Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwuma die so de agokansi ho sempa esa kena no pensu jaw medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekono kwanten kode nsema wodo esa kena no penso e wo Ghana agudiem ejaw chenu soma me se nwuma koni emiensa omna bom ska dweteme na no pay ye de nkomo no eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the hintasim we chen se utwane befu a odin befu utwane kuma bia odin kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo yere ma ofasefo na mu krum no mprafo ina se 1xbet Emma boys enyo financial freedom during the Christmas days no and new year 1xbet na boys etwa ama ene chairman magya ma fo mo shebere ya shom sema niama ekoye de mom na mom bet ediwa wani betia prusu betia kokko adwene betia bomutin betia hyehye nti utwa bet na wo de adwene kakra ato ho woni mu firi ngotwen so a emfa ho njim emu we nyina achi no na so pe bet dia 1xbet omo ana eboa bet dia hintasem bire wachiri bet with money that you can afford to lose yen share no so bio say je fast message do it tahwe enso e honom na je fast mixture no enso ye infections edu gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so dey po na chiwa edu ebu aprapra wakrawa no mbrebo ho e ma otimi di nchineche bomodin ada se onsa betimi aka je fast edu yi ye adwuma setete on setimi kan betimi aboa on infections betimi atonkwanta pai sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel ya odie bia fu apampa so bepimo na asene tu asisi home na boa aprapra wakrawa no mbrebo ma otimi di nchineche oko temame market ansa betimi aka mashama so enye na hokra obetia from 0208219129 na on a sedimo gel a roll on phone pay for yendwetwen komo pedro bito na mwa pomodon sem so NC15 Ewradim we mo sponsor say touch that boy man na no penso den komo no ejaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins to a very first step yenhas here MFF Carabao Cup final game between Santo Dwano Manchester United for Newcastle etwom 2-0 na boni akoma ehwese na hyehye ne esikoye Minister Nemesi kwa Dr. Ernest Yeboa a champion from University of Education Winiba and I didn't cheche mu ahodo tiensa ba ye niam ebetiansa ye naboa ema agudie no so etiensa tumpon na Deputy Sports Minister enso the netiensa achirase ora Evans Opoku Bobie na nenkoma ono so edija e wo sa dollar kuyase no enie
in your opportunity a ekwan be ne ye fa so ayetimi communicate well because sometimes what you radio so any platform a obenya no o kasa no nko atimi motivate me obi hu say ena de boy mekwa akwa de mekwa akohwebi. That is what I said. I want to move away a bit from the traditional ways of getting the fans into the stadium to talk about the modern methods. So I have mentioned technology. I've talked about effective communication. Here the role of the media, social media, is very important.
The Honorable Evans Opoku Bobie, an outstanding Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports, and other Nkomo 8 and Satuja, our Sempa Sports Dialogue, Jumedia Baso, our Ghana Digital Center. And once you are President of the Ghana Football Association, you are Ket Edwin Simon Kraku, Napapa, with Tiana HDA, but other Nkomo and Sweet and Sabija, Efa Kwango, Biti and Faso, Niame Stadium, Aboma say, B.
There are two key areas or two key stadia facilities that we had big problems, i.e. the Badwam Sports Stadium and i.e. the Accra Sports Stadium. And I would want to say that one of the biggest challenges that we have faced has to do with the deployment of the electronic ticketing system. I believe in the electronic ticketing system, but I think that it was our football people were not or did not have the best of education on how it can be used. I think that if you want to deploy such a massive strategy, which clearly departs or takes all of us from the way we're used to accessing football games, it's always important for us to have a clear educational strategy that would ensure that people really understand the strategy and people accept the strategy. It's also important that we bring people along so they own the strategy, and this was not done. So clearly, since the introduction of the e-ticketing strategy, Accra Sports Stadium, the Badwam Sports Stadium has seen a massive downward trend in consumption of games at both stadia. So this is a big problem, and I think that the Football Association is very much interested in engaging the Ministry of Youth and Sports on this particular strategy and see how best we can get this off as one of the challenging points in our desire to get people to come to our various stadiums.
See, that was the president of the Ghana Football Association, Kurt Edwin Simeon Okraku. Now we're telling you that now so what the Nkomo 8 Sambod na no beto a Sempa Sports Dialogue. We series side by first series no ana Ediato Femia Adom Besa nya Kanetia ba. Na no anso a major stakeholders say pie woman hon na nya sem keto kwa na Mrashe Bedwani member of parliament MP Edema Sunyane West constituency Honorable Ignatius Bafo Ewa ono so owner of Instrataman Football Club ono so dano etunkomuni.
Me CEO say come up with a budget na yenhu how ye be running season no. So he came with a budget a gate process so much me hu na mani age afa ye bobo we have busa say na say figure of the bad na ya ho kra. Hey, so from day one I saw that the budget is thrown overboard because your expectation in terms of process from gates were not met. And it even gets worse when the team is not even doing well.
And the Honorable Ignatius Bafo with him some panote sports say churches and nema ACL course with Jumedia, etimi SNPPM on Stratama Football Club akachi out him sampa omo hia supporters na omo agopma so na eno anso a ni twa wo kra no the main speaker Dr. Ernest Yeboa a champion from University of Education Winiba papa de bofo to nchen chechen komunim o twi kasem mamafo etimi sante ase yipa na ti ne course wa Sempa Sports Dialogue series a top family.
For yen ye betimi asolve yen ye problem no o say ye kode ye ko supporters ni ho e ko ji o madwen e die ntina ofri say ma stadium e die importi o mbe kire ne ma no o mu wie a ne asafa kwan bi so asabu so enti ofri say we ye ne sen ne be ubo say o msa be me solution no but ye ka say ye tena se na ye tie nipa to be it's encouraging by the time ye be realize na de ko he ditch fans no so no omo pese omo hu say o ya associated with the club me na am supporting club I said ya oka ya mutuba on say oka with pride but others no omo timika and then yen supporters union so no ya feel say ye be call out akobu so omo say adentina say ye free meeting kro omo ma aden na wo first now ye fan of we but say also ma sanya mani nyina yanko supporters no a unse mechire mu issues no supporters na raise you anya me o enti how do you solve it we a few of them enti bon say ye kwa run e collect data from all the 16 regions na ye be un say hey sa adia supporters na ye den e kani enti ye de na betimi ye den ayafa ho a e be solve problem
enti Dr. Ernest Yeboa a champion lecturer Eliwo University of Education Winiba ana atene kansa odi akomne mu chichi mu fa kwankwa betia fa so na e stadium na boma se be no ono so edijae e wa Sempa Sports Dialogue series ni di kampa ana intimidating tam so na no da e wa Ghana Digital Centers ni bi tu mesebo dia prapra memprama dwade kra no e MTN FA Cup se no so mam se Dena Stars e chekotoko etwa no 1-0 bisi sabre kuma se din fufuku san betu agunya nsem ketwa kra na penalty and Dena Stars enyae na Dreams Football Club enso che Liberty Professional Scientific Soccer last month etwam 3-0 utimi se Liberty se de wagon kra wa bete e wa Kings Kesi etimi san to dwanim na yenkum na hwe MTN FA Cup ni.
Look at it again. Amazing skill. Was it brought down? Was there contact from Mo Alhassan? We'll look at it again here. Opoku with the pass. And look at the dexterity. He's always angry for success. And was there contact from Mo Alhassan? The referee was just right there, just behind them. We look at it again here. Just when Opoku picked up the pass, Mita had been very dangerous, but look at from this angle. You see?
Amadou blows his whistle in. Sam Adams goes, picks his spot, registers the first goal.
Yeah, and it sends Frederick Asari the wrong way. The ball goes through the net. Yeah, it's
NFA Cup results I would wait for PP never near can sample so na fe hwe nim se kwan bia so no e betia sa di matches na chi na fe hom sele nyama ACL MTN FA Cup yankuma na se Dena Stars na medical ka hom chekodo ko 1-0 bisi sabre kuma se adin kuma se ken fa sa ultimate sampa om na be redeem kuma se wo mo che Stephens for 1-0 Real Tamale United for enso eche summer test 1996 etwam 2-1 ultimate sampa Rhythm United my ade enso ataman enso etim eche the BB United etwam 7-6 we akensia omede call penalties na etim e but before no na omabo 2-2 e was akensin Dreams eche Liberty twan 3-0 Cape Coast Mysterious abusunya bonto drafts so say ID Pandit tima omudi impade enke motia batoma chance de ekoto omna che kotokuru as strong 1-0 Lagos City for etwa Volta Rangers 4-3 on penalties omudi kambo 1-1 e was akensin afi Accra House of Lions Dr. Radiabi team no we team no dey say dey fanye TV Sky FC for 2-1 Western Mexico Executive Council member ni team no ana edibu nkamfa eye Pando out of line for so mufie matches a wodo etia pm we 2022-2023 MTN FA Cup round of 16 matches a wodo etia start of no ana ye de hunsunsan so etia se ja me do see na mada wa cinema Chelsea nyame adom na me saka nkomo ni bia say men door to door aboso kan for mo from here my representing sports no ho frame o makolo dwema na my tablet so maba my anti Western Mexico so stores ni aka weche no ene me frotom no ne doso me da wase se odo afide ne to Adom TV ka kira busuanfo na hofo yere o ma ofasefo na me kunu mu ompnafo nyina se wala se yesi ha enti che no so mam se 1xbet o moto chi fast Mr. Touch na fi sedimo gel and roll on omo anebo achidom emede Sanchez to create by na kwa adwada no pede sister Sandy be a guy nyame adoma sister yi nkomo de ba na entertainment western nema city a Ghana ha nyina de entertainment mistress ba ko peno no mesre nkomo na ne kansu ne ne kansu kakra bi no na de akom ene mu chechemu by sister Sandy obetimi na agise bia what afro abatwe the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.